Hello. In this video, I will drive the normalization wave function. Okay, what is a normalization wave function? Normalized, that's mean a acceptable wave function in quantum mechanics. In this lecture, I will just drive the normalized wave function for one-dimensional box problem. Okay. In the previous lecture, I just pointed out that psi x equal to b sine n pi x by L for one-dimensional box, but we don't know the value of b. What is the value of b in a box problem? We already know that for a one-dimensional box, if it is zero position and it is one dimension, this is x direction, then from 0 to this point, the length of this box equal to L. Okay. So in terms of L, I will calculate the value of b. But how I will calculate? What will be the permissible value, which is known as normalization of wave function? We know the probability and probability density. What is probability density? And what is probability? The probability of a particle in dx length, the probability of a particle finding in length dx equal to psi n x into psi n star x dx. Okay, this is the probability in the length dx. To find a particle in the length dx, this will be the probability. Now, what will be the total probability? In the whole length, the total probability always, or maximum probability always be 1. That's mean the total probability P equal to, how we can get total probability? We can get sum of the whole probability, or by integration. This summation can be converted to integration because this length is continuous length d continuous length change of or difference. D is the difference of length, it is continuous change. So integration, since this is a box problem, the length is limited, or its boundary is 0 to L. So 0 to L, we are finding the electron or any particle 0 to L length. Okay, psi n x psi n star x dx. Now we already know the psi x equal to this. What is the value of psi x? This. And psi star is also this, because there is no complex number, there is no I, there is no presence of complex number. Hence, total probability equal to must be equal to 1. Then total probability 0 to length L, B sine n pi x by L into B sine n pi x by L into dx. Now it will be 1. For maximum probability it will be 1 because we are calculating the whole probability because the box length 0 to L, so total probability must be equal to 1. Then what happened? B into B, that is B square, 0 to infinity 0 to L, that is sine square n pi x by L dx equal to 1. Now multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2 will get b square by 2 integration 0 to L 2 sin square n pi x by L dx equal to 1. Why I mean multiply by 2? Because to get a formula 2 sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay, 2 sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So b square by 2, b square by 2, 0 to L 1 minus cos 2 n pi x by L into dx equal to 1. Now what happened? B square by 2 integration 0 to L just dx minus b square by 2 integration 0 to L, that is cos 2 n pi x by L dx equal to 1. Now what will be the value of this? This is actually because when the integration of this must be equal to 0. Why it is 0? Because there is a limit. There is a limit 0 to L. Okay, so this part is 0. Then what happened? P square by 2 integration 0 to L dx equal to 1, or that is b square by 2. This is actually just x, then x limit 0 to L equal to 1, then b square by 2. This is actually L minus 0 equal to 1. So b square equal to 2 by L, then b equal to root over 2 by L. So this is the normalization factor. What is this? This is actually known as the normalization factor. This normalization factor, so by this normalization factor we will get the actual wave function, that is psi nx equal to root over 2 by L sin n pi x by L. So this is the expected weight function or eigenfunction. This is the eigenfunction or normalized weight function where the normalization constant b is equal to root over L by 2. It is very true for all one-dimensional particle, one-dimensional box containing particle. Okay. Now, if we go to calculate some expectation value of x, let us consider if the wave function is psi nx equal to root over L by 2 by L sin n pi x by L, then what will be the expectation value of the position? Already we can assume that also. Since 0 to L, then what will be the expectation value? That's mean average value. Yes. So what is the average value? Average value 0 plus L divided by 2, is not it? Expectation value, this is x. What is the expectation value of the length or x of the position? That's mean 0 plus L divided by 2. This is the actual average value. So how we can calculate the average value or expectation value of the particle in box, one-dimensional box? So let us consider expectation value of x. So we know the expectation value limit is 0 to L, and the wave function, what is the wave function? This is the wave function 2 by L sin n pi x by L into position vector into root over 2 by L sin n pi x by L dx. Okay. If you not understand what is the expectation value, see my previous lecture. Okay. I already give a lecture only on expectation value or average value of momentum in position, okay, energy, etc. So expectation value means the wave function into its operator. If it is momentum, then it will be momentum. So it's psi into operator into psi. This is d tau. That's mean here it is one dimension. Hence it is dx. Okay. Then what happened? Equal to 0 to L 2 root 2 by L into root 2 by L. That's mean 2 by L. Then sin x just is a position, so we can write here no problem from the outside of the sin x, that is sin n pi x by L into sin n pi x by L. That's mean sin square into dx. Clear? Okay. Now what will be the solution? This solution is that this is the constant of the integration. So equal to integration, so we can write 2 by L the outside of the integration. Okay. Then what will be the value? Then we can again multiply by 2. Again we can multiply by 2. Clear? That's mean 1 by 2 into x into 2 sin square n pi x by L dx. Okay, now what is this? 2 sin square theta actually. So then we can write this way, that 2 by L 0 to L into half into x into 1 minus cos 2x means 2 n pi x by L dx. Clear? Now just we can multiply this directly. What happened? Equal to 2 by L, half is in the outside, that is 2 cancel out, that is 1 by L integration dx, that is integration x dx minus 1 by L integration 0 to L x cos 2 n pi x by L dx. Okay, now what happened? This part is equal to 1 by L 0 to L, that's mean actually x to the power 2, that is x to the power x to the power 2 divided by 2, the limit is 0 to L. Now this part 1 by L, that is 1 by L into, can take third bracket, x into 0 to L, and this is the cos part, that is cos n 2n pi x by L into dx minus what happened? Integration 0 to L, third bracket, that is 1, integration of just derivative of this, then integration, that is just 1 into 0 to L cos 2 pi, that is 2 n pi x by L dx. Clear? Now what is this? This is again 0, this is 0, this is also 0. Then what happened here? 1 by L, and there is a limit. Okay, so L square by 2 minus 0 square by something, okay, by 2. So that is actually this. Clear? So what happened? And now L and L, one L here and another L is here, can be cancelled out, equal to L by 2, and this part is minus 0 plus 0. Okay, this is 0, this is also 0. So we already expect this, that for a box, one dimensional box, the expectation or average value, that means 0, this is L, so average value 0 plus L by 2 equal to L by 2. So in this way we can also calculate that it is half, that is expectation value of a particle or probability of finding a particle or its expectation value, that's mean average value in the length 0 to L, it will be just L by 2. Okay, and I will calculate so many things from this according to your syllabus. Okay, so follow my lecture in YouTube, and if you subscribe this channel, then you will get the notification or you will get update immediately. Okay, thank you.